Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu instructed his disciples to write books on the science of Krishna Consciousness, a task which those who follow him have continued to carry out down to the present day. The elaborations and exposition on the philosophy taught by Lord Chaitanya are in fact the most voluminous, exacting and consistent due to the unbreakable system of disciplic taxation of any religious culture in the world. Yet Lord Chaitanya in his youth, widely renowned as a scholar himself, left us only 8 verses called Sikkhaష్టam. Glory to the Sri Krishna Sankirtan, which cleanses the heart of all the dust accumulated for years together. Thus the fire of conditioned life, of repeated birth and death, is extinguished. Second verse. O my Lord, your holy name alone can render all benediction upon the living beings, and therefore you have hundreds and millions of names, like Krishna, Govinda, etc. In these transcendental names you have invested all your transcendental energies, and there is no hard and fast rule for chanting these holy names. O my Lord, you have so kindly made approach to you easy by your holy names, but unfortunate as I am, I have no attraction for them. 3. One can chant the holy name of the Lord in a humble state of mind, thinking himself lower than the straw in the street, more tolerant than the tree, devoid of all sense of false prestige, and ready to offer all respects to others. In such a state of mind, one can chant the holy name of the Lord constantly.